Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am sharing with you very simple haircut technique. You can easily cut your kids hair at home. I'm not a professional, but I have learned different hairstyle and cutting techniques during lockdown, and this hairstyle I like the most for my kids because it is very easy. So tools you need is hair clipper with 3 safety guards, number 3, 2 and 1, sharp pair of scissors, comb and spray bottle. And starting with safety guard number 3, keeping blades open, and let's start. So if your kids talk too much or they move a lot, just hold their head with your another hand and put a mask on their eye and mouth so that hair doesn't go inside, and it will be very easy for you to give them a nice haircut. Make sure the hair is dry because wet hair is very difficult to cut with clipper. So as you can see how I'm going according to the shape of the head. So when you cut near the ear area, be very careful. Fold their ears so that accident doesn't happen, and go very slow. So now I'm going to change the safety guard to number 1, and I'm going to clean the lower part, and with safety guard 2 I'll blend between 3 and 1. 1. So Now I'm keeping the blade in the middle and using the safety guard number 1, and I'm going very slow, as you can see, near the ear area. Take your time and very slowly do it. So now I'm going to change it to number 2, and I'm just going to blend between where I have made the line for 3 and 1. So I'm going to just blend, and this side of the head I'm going to shave little more. So I don't want hair this side, so I'll go and blend this side of the head. So now blending is done, and I am going to trim very little hair in the front, because I want these hair to be long. So I'm going to just trim very little. So here I'm just making my guideline. And with this I'm going to I'm going to trim very little, and then I'll take the hair back and I'll cut like this. So I'm just making my guideline, and then I'll go with other side. So now with the small clipper I am going to give little style to this haircut so that it looks more defined, and also with the same clipper I'll go and clean the ear and the neck area. So haircut is done, and now I am going to wash his hair and then I'll style it with little bit of coconut oil. I hope you like this video. If you do, subscribe to my channel, like, share with family and friends, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching.